just as impressive. Birds' fights with their prey often take place with incredible precision and strength. What happens when a bird spots its meal? These moments reveal their power and skill, exposing a world full of drama and brutality. Wherever you are, let's swag wild animal life decode the wild world through video. 15 brutal moments of birds battling against their prey, animal fight. Birds of prey, such as hawks, falcons, and owls, are the most skilled hunters in the animal kingdom. These goshawks are known for their incredible speed and agility, darting through dense trees with high precision. Their hunting technique is a blend of stealth and power, allowing them to ambush unsuspecting prey like rabbits, mice, and ducks. In a flash, the goshawk swoops down, capturing its meal with remarkable accuracy. A hawk swoops down to catch a duck. This is nature's hunting instinct.ina swift. Calculated dive, it grabs the duck with its powerful talons, leaving little room for the duck to escape. Hawks are among the most powerful birds of prey. When their prey comes close, they pounce on it with their sharp talons. With speeds reaching up to 120 mph in a dive, hawks swoop down from above, aiming precisely at their target. Their strength lies not only in their sharp talons, but also in their ability to control their flight. Once the duck is within reach, the hawk seizes the opportunity. In a split second, it grabs the duck, squeezing tightly and taking down the prey, highlighting their dominance in the avian world. The goshawk, with its exceptional hunting prowess, has several advantages when hunting ducks. Its keen eyesight allows it to spot prey from up to a mile away, and its powerful wings enable it to reach speeds of up to 40 mph in pursuit. The goshawk's talons, capable of exerting up to 400 pounds of pressure per square inch, ensure a firm grip, leaving little chance for the duck to escape. In the Siberian sky, a goshawk spots a duck. It barely registers the danger as the goshawk dives at speeds of up to 40 mph. In a blur of feathers and talons, the goshawk snatches the duck mid-flight. This sudden, powerful strike leaves the duck no chance to escape, showcasing the goshawk's unparalleled hunting prowess. The marsh harrier is a distinctive bird of prey found in wetlands and marshes across Europe, Asia, and parts of Africa. With its striking plumage, which is a mix of brown, yellow, and white, this bird of prey is easily recognized. Marsh harriers are skilled hunters, preying on a wide variety of animals, including small mammals, birds, and insects. Known for their graceful low-flying hunting techniques, they are an important part of the ecosystem, maintaining the balance of their habitats. The marsh harrier, a skilled hunter with a wingspan of up to 4 feet, scanned the water with its sharp eyes and spotted a swimming duck. It silently flapped its wings as it approached, then suddenly dived down at breakneck speed. The hawk's talons were outstretched, ready to grab its prey. The duck had no time to react and was lifted out of the water. With its strength and agility, the marsh hawk demonstrated its perfection in hunting. The marsh harrier glides low over the wetlands, its keen eyes scanning the reeds and water for prey. Within moments, its sharp talons are extended in a controlled strike on its prey. The cormorant, frightened but too slow to escape, is caught in the hawk's powerful grip. The harrier begins by using its hooked beak to tear into the cormorant's flesh. Starting with the softer areas around the neck, it carefully plucks feathers and rends the meat into manageable pieces. Using its strong talons to hold the prey steady. The marsh harrier sits on a tree branch, feasting on a freshly hunted Eurasian dove. The dove is nestled in the hawk's sharp talons, its feathers stained with blood. The harrier uses its sharp beak to tear the flesh of its prey, while its eyes remain alert to its surroundings. The harrier's alertness ensures it can protect its meal from potential intruders. In the wetlands of Bharatpur National Park, the marsh harrier meticulously scans the water below. It had spotted an Eurasian coot, which weighs at least 2 pounds near the edge of a dense thicket. The harrier then grabs the cormorant, taking down it quickly with a series of vicious pecks from its sharp beak. Hiding behind a fallen tree, it begins to eat the cormorant until only its feathers remain. The kestrel, a small yet formidable raptor, is renowned for its impressive hunting skills and dedicated parenting. The hunt begins with the kestrel hovering, its wings beating rapidly to stay aloft as it scans the ground below for signs of movement. Once a potential target, a small rodent or insect, is identified, it dives with speed up to 40 miles per hour to capture its prey with its sharp talons. After a successful hunt, the kestrel returns to the nest, where it meticulously feeds its chicks, ensuring they grow strong and healthy. Perched on a high-rise balcony in downtown Chicago, an American kestrel held its prey firmly in its talons. The sparrow had no chance against the kestrel's swift. Its mastery of urban hunting was evident, showcasing the remarkable adaptability and prowess of this. An American kestrel, with its piercing eyes and powerful talons, perched on a patch of grass in downtown Chicago. At its feet lay a downed pigeon. The kestrel lowered its head, using its sharp beak to tear off pieces of the pigeon's flesh. The kestrel's focused and methodical approach to its meal was a testament to its hunting prowess. The The pigeon faces the 5 red kestrels, with sharp beaks and focused eyes. The kestrels tore into the pigeon's flesh. With sharp beaks and focused eyes. The kestrels tore into the pigeon's flesh. Each kestrel worked in unison, their talons gripping the prey firmly, showcasing their collective strength and efficiency as hunters. Southern ground hornbills forage mainly by walking slowly. A peregrine falcon locked its eyes on a wild pigeon. With an astounding dive reaching speeds over 200 mph, the falcon closed in on its prey. It began to carry its prey to a large area and began to devour the pigeon's face. Using its hooked beak, specially adapted for tearing flesh, the falcon removed the pigeon's facial muscles, rich in nutrients. This hunt, though harsh, exemplifies the unforgiving nature of wildlife. Leave your thoughts below in the comments section. Do not hesitate to ask us questions. Swag Wild Animal Life will answer your questions. Hope the above information is useful to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to support us to continue publishing more interesting videos in the future. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.
Thank you for watching till the end of the video. Was your experience here good? It would be fantastic for us to meet you here every day. Swag Wild Animal Life will continue to update every day the best interesting stories, dramatic battles in the wild animals world. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to see our newest videos. Goodbye for now and see you in the next video.